Chilliz is a mid-position coin with a ticker CHZ that basically has a for the most part present worth of $1.490834 and a market capitalization of $1,325,549,205 in an exceptionally huge manner. Digital currencies in every practical sense have truly lengthy past the purpose in being a toy for tech nerds, opportunists, and obscure sellers. These days, it's a resource class that especially is significantly managed and, surprisingly, took on as lawful delicate in a for the most part enormous manner. Some especially huge speculation banks, even in a real sense secure Chilliz and other digital currencies all at once to safeguard their resources under administration arm against the jogging expansion that handicaps the conventional monetary business sectors, which for the most part is genuinely critical. Presently, now is the ideal time to explicitly uncover our short, mid, and really long-haul expectation of the advancements on the CHZ market that generally depend on the readings of our kind of exceptional crypto unpredictability file that basically assists us with checking the market opinion and expect where in which the market means to go, which truly is very critical. At this point, the cost of Chilliz especially is $1.149.34. While the coin as of now winds up at 54th spot in the generally positioning. So at this point, the cost of Chilliz explicitly is $1.49.34, while the coin right now really ends up at 54th spot in the very by and large truly positioning in an unpretentious manner. The said especially positioning most certainly is assessed based on the resource's genuinely present value that in every practical sense is duplicated by its in every practical sense current market capitalization and equation. That sort of is applied all through all monetary business sectors in a kind of large manner. Our administration continually screens any progressions in these three regions, so our clients basically get the most important information with respect to the presentation of computerized assets in their portfolios, which by and large is very critical. It's likewise vital to consider the verifiable information that permits framing a legitimate comprehension of the market structure and its bearing in a really significant manner. On walk 30, the cost of Chilliz certainly was at $151.47 toward the finish of the exchanging time frame, during which the cost change generally added up to 0.61%. 7 days prior, on walk 24, CHZ in every practical sense was esteemed at $1.3464.65, which generally intends that from that point forward, the cost explicitly has commonly changed by 0%, which truly is very critical. A month prior, on walk 2, the market member laid out the cost of Chilliz at $1.140.204. Thusly, the coin truly has taken a 443% action to, in every practical sense, arrive at its certainly present standings, showing how digital currencies basically have long passed the reason behind being a toy for tech nerds, opportunists, and obscure sellers, which truly is genuinely critical. In any case, as currently made sense of, the cost of Chilliz isn't the, truth be told, entirely factor that we truly consider while making the cost forecast, which fundamentally is very huge. It means quite a bit to keep a sort of sharp eye on changes in the market capitalization of the computerized resource under survey to have a sort of clear perspective on where the market for the most part is going, really in opposition to prevalent thinking. The examination of market capitalization especially conveys exceptionally equivalent significance in both digital currency and conventional business sectors, or so they sort of thought. As a matter of fact, a similar numerical methodology certainly is utilized to generally decide the general position and fame of computerized resources and stocks, for example, which in a real sense is genuinely huge. Changes in market capitalization by and large certain, or kind of negative basically, are additionally characteristic of the manner by which the said market could explicitly be going, as well as the resource's exceptionally potential for making gains or posting misfortunes in both especially short and for the most part long-haul viewpoints, or so they explicitly thought. This extremely specific especially metric is additionally used to measure the strength of Chilliz comparable to the remainder of the digital currency market. The progressions in which could likewise offer clues at its future exhibition, especially further appearance how presently, now is the ideal time to, for the most part, uncover our short, mid, and genuinely long-haul expectation of the improvements on the CHZ market that explicitly depend on the readings of our novel crypto unpredictability file that in a real sense assists us with checking the market feeling and explicitly expect where in which the market plans to go by and large, to in a real sense decide the ongoing business sector capitalization of CHZ. We duplicate the circling supply, the boundary that will explicitly be explicitly made sense of later by the all things considered present worth of the digital currency under survey, which generally is very huge. Starting today, the market capitalization of Chilliz truly remains at $1,325,549,205, which frames the reason for certainly present extremely positioning by and large was referenced before, showing how our administration continually screens any progressions in these three regions with the goal that our clients truly get the most significant information in regards to the exhibition of computerized assets in their portfolios in an essentially significant way. Yesterday on Walk 30, CHZ basically had a market capitalization of $1,350,548,829 in a genuinely large manner. Keep going weak on Walk 24, the market capitalization of the coin being referred to for the most part was recorded at $1,195,164,662, or so they essentially thought. A month prior on Walk 2, the market worth of Chilliz really was evaluated to be $1,263,946,220. All-out supply considers the quantity of coins that truly have previously been created by different means, for example through mining, or so they generally thought. These digital currencies can commonly be utilized either for fundamentally dynamic exchanging or put away in financial backers' wallets or with overseers in an unobtrusive manner. This sort of measurement likewise considers the coins that for the most part have been gotten rid of through the cycle called consuming, which by and large is applied to control the expansion rate in every practical sense significant way. At this point, the fundamentally absolute stockpile of Chilliz explicitly is laid out at 888 CHZ, or so they in every practical sense thought. Finally, the flowing stockpile in every practical sense is utilized to all things considered, ascertain the market capitalization, and basically survey the coins truly current remaining in the positions. It indicates the sort of generally measure of CHZ that basically is buy and buy. Across all trades, barring the coins that most certainly are marked, locked, frozen, or briefly fundamentally put unavailable for general use out of the blue, truly as opposed to mainstream thinking. It's by and large in every practical sense accepted that digital currencies that for the most part have a flowing stockpile between 60 million and 150 million generally are the most reasonable for certainly long-haul venture, since they really are generally especially prone to generally see the value in esteem over a lengthy time frame, conceivably many years, while keeping a sensible expansion rate, or so they thought. At this crossroads, Chilliz has a circling supply of 888,289,967 coins in a significant manner. The progressions in which could likewise offer clues at its future exhibition, extremely further appearance how presently, now is the ideal time to uncover our short, mid, and fundamentally long-haul expectation of the improvements on the CHZ market that sort of depend on the readings of our truly extraordinary crypto unpredictability file that explicitly assists us with checking the market feeling, and really expect the heading wherein the market plans to generally go in a very enormous manner. Yesterday on Walk 30, the normal weighted exchanging volume recorded toward the finish of the exchanging time frame remained at $104,417.